Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add halation in your photos in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add halation to your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose the photo that you want to add halation to. Now, to add halation, simply click on Edit. And now select Effect option. Now decrease the dehaze just like that, and similarly decrease little bit of clarity. Now go to colors. Now increase the temperature a little bit, and similarly decrease the tint towards the green just like that. Now furthermore, you can go to light and decrease the exposure, and again go to effects and select the vignette option. Increase the vignette to give the halation effect just like that. And just like that, we have added halation in our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.